Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. On the menu today, Chicago style Polish. Let's go, y'all. Here's what we'll need to make those Polishes. You know you need onions. Baby, you need sliced onions. Slice them thinly so they'll cook very quickly. You won't be all day in the kitchen. Of course, you need the Polishes, sport peppers, mustard, and hot dog buns with poppy seeds. Now let's get right to the cooking part, darlings. Alright, so what I've got here is I've got the Polishes in a pan with the onions. And I'm just going to let them all grill up. What I did already is I boiled the Polishes. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to fry them a little bit. So I'm going to grill it a little bit right here, grill the onions, and then we'll assemble the sandwich. Alright, so now it's time to assemble. So you grill that Polish and you grill those onions as much as you want to grill it. So if you like your onions cooked a lot and almost caramelized, then you do that. But if you like them kind of raw, then that's how you do it too. So you do it to your preference. It just depends. Alright. Nothing hard about this. I'm going to get that Polish put in there. Get some mustard put on it. Not a Chicago style Polish without mustard. You go to that Polish stand, you know what you're getting. You're getting mustard, grilled onions, and peppers. See? Now I'm sticking the peppers down in the side. I'm going to put the grilled onions right on the top. Yes, yes. I'm telling you. Have you ever been to Chicago and you've been to a Polish stand and you know you get these Polishes wrapped in that wax paper, baby, you eat it right in the car. Play too much. You eat it right in the car or wherever you're standing. You eat it. Especially if you're drunk. At 2, 3 o'clock in the morning coming from the club. Polish stand. Yep. Alright. They be so good too. Just like this one. So make this one. So if you never had a Chicago style, follow my directions. Make it. And believe me, you will have experienced it and you will love it. Alright. That's it. That's it, that's all. Alright, Chicago style Polish. My people, enjoy. I know I will. Thanks for watching Savory Spices. See y'all next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.